In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for resume writing, Job Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. This takes you to the official site where you can use the AI right away. If the homepage looks different from what you expect, don't worry. Designs change from time to time, but you're simply looking for the main area where you can interact with Grok. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick and optional, but it's helpful because signing in lets you save your conversation and pick up where you left off later. Use your preferred sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll stay authenticated so your progress is kept in one place. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI front and center. This is the workspace where the tool will generate text for you and respond to your instructions. Take a second to get familiar with the layout. The conversations usually appear in the center, and your input area is below. On the main screen, look for the chat bar at the bottom. This is where you'll type your prompt. You can treat it like messaging a helpful colleague. Clear, specific instructions work best. When you're ready, place your cursor there and start typing. Now, ask Grok to create a resume. A simple way to begin is to type something like, "Create a professional resume for me." For stronger results, give context. Include your target role, years of experience, industry, and the style you want. For example, create a professional resume for a mid-level data analyst with 5 years of experience in e-commerce. Include a concise summary, measurable achievements, key skills, education, and relevant tools. You can also mention tone, professional, concise, or achievement-focused. And ask for keywords common in your field so your resume aligns with what employers expect. If the first draft isn't quite right, ask again for more detailed information. Be specific about what to change. You might say, refine the summary to be shorter and more results-driven. Or, rewrite these bullet points to include metrics like revenue impact and time saved. If you have a job description, you can paste key qualifications and ask Grok to tailor the resume to those requirements. You can also request a different format, such as reverse chronological or a hybrid style, or ask for variations tuned to different roles you're applying for. Continue iterating until the content matches your experience and the role you want. When it reads like you and highlights clear, measurable achievements, you're ready to use it.